What we wanted to do with Incycle was challenge ourselves and the industry to innovate for sustainability. To get to a third-party certified line of products, we really had to push ourselves and our suppliers to achieve that. In order to get a full line that was cradle-to-cradle certified, we also had to innovate in ways that were both at the micro level and at the macro level. So at the micro level, we needed to look at what kind of pigments and dyestuffs we were using in our products, so down to the chemistry involved. And at the macro level, we had to develop a system within our stores that could take back product, put that into a system so that the products could get recycled. That required us to partner with organizations like IPEA in Germany, who have the chemistry knowledge and could work with our supply base and understand and innovate within our supply chain to improve the chemistry involved. We also had to partner with organizations like Incycle, who were able to work in the majority of our stores now have bins that can take product back, put that back into either the blue cycle or the green cycle. So the Incycle collection for us was really a learning challenge. And what we were able to learn is we had a cross-functional team come together to deliver this, from our sourcing organization, designers, innovation experts, as well as strategy and marketing, so that we were able to have a full 360 approach to the collection that really allowed us to understand what it would take to deliver a cradle-to-cradle certified collection, but then very quickly have those learnings go out throughout the organization and start impacting the way that we build our regular products every day, day in, day out.
So in this journey, what we've done is starting to readdress how we design a product from the beginning. So a t-shirt which a consumer would normally see has been slightly tweaked to make it applicable for the green cycle within cradle to cradle. For example, the sewing thread is normally polyester in a t-shirt, but now we've changed that to cotton. So a very small change and something that we've had to do to be able to adhere to the criteria, but that's been a journey that we've taken together with, for example, our sewing thread supplier.
One of the very tangible outputs of the work on the Incycle collection were pigment and dyestuff positive lists. Basically, these are lists of formulations for putting pigment and dye into our products that are much more sustainable than what we had before and adhere to the cradle-to-cradle principles. What we've done is we've developed those with IPEA, and we're now donating those essentially to our industry through the Zero Discharge of Hazardous Chemicals and other organizations where multiple brands will have access, and we will be able to start building on our efforts and other industry efforts to move the entire industry towards a more sustainable future.